Well, by what we have, it's going to be looking for shorts. Let me try. We're looking for shorts. So turn that off. There we go. Just by the positioning on the chart. Let's take a look here. So we came up. So this is Friday. We end up not Friday. This is this is move Friday here. This is where we caught that short, accidental short, whatever you want to call it. We caught that. You know, we tapped the supply zone, came down. We end up hitting this this support, or resistance becomes support. So we bounced. So this is the level. Now we're kind of like in a range. Not really in a range, but we're kind of bouncing between, you see these 2 points here. I just want to see. Today's Monday. We do have some news at 9. We got PMI at 9. Is this a bank holiday? Oh, Canadian bank holiday. Okay. Yeah, at 9 o'clock we got PMI. We got PMI. We got yellow folder and red folder at 9 o'clock. So just to keep that in mind. If we look at stack, we're looking at kind of a mixed bag, but it's a weak bull. It's just using a slightly different EMA or slightly different logic, so they're not gonna agree. But anyways, you know, we are dropping down, you know, a little bit here. I would like to see if we continue down, we can hit previous day low. That'd be perfect for us. Kind of put us in a good position here. Where is it? Oh yeah, we got a little bit there. So we know obviously we're below VWAP. So if we keep dropping, that would be fantastic. See how big this range is, because this would be a good target. Obviously, there's a support level, or sorry, support level here at 28, 126-ish. So we do have a level here. There's a round number at 200, but this is something we want to look at here. Something around this level. See if we react there. Obviously, then we would want to see these two levels, or see this area here. This is like a level of interest. Definitely here. Would it be, see if, you know, let's see how we kind of react at these levels. Obviously, if we go to the top side, we won't really have anything. It would be nice to take these out. I mean, we are pretty far away from transitioning, like a transition level. So it'd be like, price would need to come up here somewhere towards transition for buyers, but let's give it plenty of time for price to develop. We got about 30 minutes for the 4-hour, 1 hour, 30-minute candle. So we'll see if we make equal lows here. We sweep, but it'd be nice to take out these lows, but this could be just a pullback. Kind of need to see what happens here. We are super far away from VWAP as well. Like I said, I think this downtrend. I want to see these. So I want to see this get taken out. I want to see this get taken out. And then if you start taking out these highs, like especially right here, this is the level here. Is this 30,000 here? So I want to see us break these highs. I want to get out of this range. I mean, because we're back in the range, right? But we don't know if it's back in the we're back in the range, or if we're just coming up and trying to take out these highs, like just trying to get out of trying to keep going up. Pretty strong rejection candle. I mean, sorry, it's pretty big wick there. If we do get Bowie up, I mean, it's a pretty kind of a tall order there, honestly. 140 points. But we're not in position to take buys right now. Like I said, we do have a red folder at 9, so about 25 minutes. This is what I'm thinking. I don't know. So you guys gotta let me know what do you guys think? So definitely looks like I want price to go up, because that's what my overall not talking about just today. I'm talking about my overall what I want to market to do and see. But just getting in that position, because once we get in position, it'd be a lot better. It'll put us in a better position. Yeah. It looks like we're pushing very, very aggressively. Yeah, because if it breaks these highs, just in general, that's what I would want to see. It looks like that's what we're gonna do. Because we're making, say we're making structure. We have not broken the lows, right? So this, I want to see this get taken out so that we can see at least getting confirmation of this trend. Like I said, that's what I want to see. I want to see this. I want to see us start taking out highs. I want to see us break everything and just continue up. Catch a, if we can catch a nice little leg like this, be a good month. But I don't think we're gonna continue to range. I think it's yeah, that's what I'm hoping for. That's what because like I was telling you guys, I thought we were making the downtrend, right? And we did. We made this downtrend. I thought we would go a little bit deeper. I thought it was gonna be a little bit deeper. So obviously nothing's for sure in these markets. I was hoping to get to the golden pocket. We were just shy of it. We ended up getting to the 2700s almost. I thought we were gonna get a little bit deeper. I was like, okay, we're probably gonna push to there. That was that one day we came short. I think we got to 50% or something like that, and then we reversed. I was hoping we'd get at least here because this sort of hit our TP. I was like, okay, this is the pullback, right? And then I'm figuring, we can continue down. if we can get the pullback, get this leg again. So basically, this the cycle of twos. So if we can do something like this again, we catch the second leg of this. Rule of two? Not always for sure, but if we can get that, it'd be real good. We'll see. We just gotta get the trend to get in position for us. Be on the right side of it. So it's like right now we are not on the right side of it. But yeah, like I said, see if we break these highs, because that market structure. This would be a big one. Well, 2900. That's a big one, but this is like kind of a big one for me. Where is it? I think. Where is it? Yeah, I think it's these highs. Yeah, so break that. It's a pretty big one. I'm sorry. This is the big one. Yeah, 30,000. That level gets broken. It'd be crazy. But we gotta see if price. No, so it blocks the weak bear. So those tend to fail more. So for like as far as trend, if we're in a strong trend, in trend not trend flips, we break to the opposite side. Those tend to work because it takes more volume, or it takes more like I forgot, I don't know the right term, but it takes more effort for it to against it for a week. What is it? Weak transition, or sorry, weak trend. Those tend to fail. Those tend to end up reversing. And it's based on the data. Whoa, pushing back down. Like I said, sometimes VWAP, man, VWAP's can act like just like a wall. Obviously, yeah, but sometimes it doesn't even seem like it's there. It just like ignores it. Yep, 5-day average looks very good. It is also Monday, beginning of the month. It also is Monday. Beginning of the month's always the best. Those are the better areas. But yeah, see if we're out of this kind of wishy-washy market. Morning. Oh boy. Oh man. Oh, very nice. Yeah. We'll see with the news in about 15 minutes, 16 minutes. Yeah, it's looking like price does want to go up, so we'll have to see. We just already filled in the gap. Gap is filled. That was very quick. Kind of crazy. We take out these lows. That'd be crazy, but probably wants to take out these highs. Oh, we'll see. That's crazy. We almost caught, like, I was hoping on Friday that we were gonna catch another breakout here, because we almost, like, if this was just a little bit sooner, we could have caught this one. Like, kind of caught this. I was hoping it would do this, but like over here to get an actual valid breakout. I had a feeling we were gonna break out again. And they see it. They're not. Yeah, they let you. Apex. Yeah, they don't. They don't have any rules against that. Most prop firms don't. Oh, and I saw Apex brought back to 300Ks. Not really, actually. I'm actually gonna look back into that because I'm actually doing some stuff behind the scenes. So I'm gonna be looking into like a scalping more, or not more, but like I got some stuff cooking. I got some stuff cooking. So being able to dial in London should be a lot easier. But I'm thinking that I don't know if it's just going to be a settings thing. It's going to be having to analyze the actual I don't know. I have some stuff I'm working on, so I got some stuff cooking. Yeah. Oh, I don't know. It just like brain's always doing something. I gotta gotta put to good use. Alright, looks like we're gonna get that breakout to the top side. Let's see. Yeah, hopefully this month I'll have a little more concrete stuff. I think Knightfall is okay. I think it's kind of, I don't know if it's done, but I think I can pause on it, and then I've tried to do like the breakout thing, like because we're missing some trades like that, but I've tried every which way to figure something out, and the way it is just it's just where it's the best. Nothing really beats it. Just diminished returns. I'm sure there's something I'm missing, but I just can't see it. I tried every which way. So I think it can go on kind of cruise control now. I think it's best I can get for right now. Yeah, I've been just tinkering, and I went back to like when I was trying to read the breakouts again, say because I'm using like a hard number, try to figure out stuff with that, and I went back to some old ideas and tried some different angles, and it just doesn't work. And it's funny because like every time I try to go back and try to figure something else out, the baseline, which is Knightfall here, it always wins, and I was like, I can't beat it. But as far as the like scalping and other stuff, that's gonna be kind of it's gonna be using like, I was trying to use this as like kind of like the DNA and the blueprint, but we'll see. Yeah, that's I think that's why it's so hard to beat, because it is so solid. It's like it just, but yeah, I'm looking at stuff right now. Yeah, it pretty much always comes back not to a dead end, but just, whereas like I kind of like can't do anything, can't beat it. But yeah, and I'm working on some stuff though. Yeah, that's always was kind of like that was always like my thought, like kind of like a almost like a variant, or if Nightfall doesn't see it, what else what else can plug in, can not plug in, but like what else can like can be used. With the kind of like the good thing with that would be it'd be kind of not super hard to figure out, but like basically, because it's like I can, like we have the backtest status, so I could see, like I could plug in like when it doesn't see trades, or it doesn't, when it loses, see what the kind of like when Nightfall doesn't see something, what does see something, like kind of play off each other. Well, there's a bunch of different ways to go about it. But I even so this weekend I tried to like look at different like trend logic, and that's why this version this is there's V2. Oh, it's not out yet, but like there's V2 of Stack, which is running. That's why it looks, it says weak bull when this says weak bear. It's running a little bit different logic. I have it integrated, like a version where they're both integrated with each other, but I can't get it to beat I can't beat how it beats it, like how it works now. It's weaker. It's just hard to beat the baseline. Wait, what? Off one? Wait, did that guy from the other day offer 100K? He offered me. That is pretty interesting. So it is a C setup, but it is counter trend. So if you were to take something like this, just be very careful. It does look good, but like I said, it's counter trend. He offered me 10K. I said no. Like my 100K was, obviously just screwing with him, but yeah, because he just all you do is want to sell it. Yeah. Yeah, I tried different ways to go about it for like trend and stuff, but it's a little tricky. Yeah, it looks like we might rock it up. Yeah, look at this wick. Yeah, I do like the setup though. I do like it, but it is counter trend. I'm gonna wait and see. I mean, I'm not gonna take anything, but we want to see what price does. See if we come back down. If we're just gonna rock it up. This looks like a huge breakout candle. No, we're waiting. I'm waiting. Gotta wait and see. Very extended. And I was actually looking into it. The most dangerous breakouts, because what I actually did was had every breakout measured by distance. I did it by two ways. I did 2 ways when I was trying to figure out the breakout, like over the weekend. I had every breakout measured as far as distance from the orb and the distance from the breakout, like how big the breakout candle was. So I had measured this, like how big the candle wasn't by like the candle was, and how far the distance was on the breakout itself. And I measured all 7 years. The most dangerous breakout candles were the big orbs, like large orbs with large breakout candles. Those are the most dangerous ones. Those tend to fail the most. So I was trying to figure out like, okay, like how do I get like, you know, if it's a big orb, we need more more room. And actually it was the opposite. Yeah, so I labeled every, well, I didn't label. I was able to label all the breakouts because it can measure every single one in the back test, and I turned off the filter. So over the 7 years, I had it label every single breakout with distance versus the baseline. And it's like adding, you know, and giving it more room because the breakout was bigger. It was actually a bad idea. I figured out a way to label everything, like for like not everything, but pretty much everything from the like kind of like a debug mode, right? So I can get all the data in the back test and analyze that. Yeah, this is way too extended for me. Like for, you know, just like, you know, way extended. Yeah, about 100 points. A little too far for anything. Even if it was you know, it was a good trade or was a, you know. Yeah, I got news right now. Let's see if we do a retest, see if we come back down. Obviously, you know, trend is not in our not aligned right now. See what we do. Let's see what we do. What do we come up to? Yeah, a little bit past 600 there. Yeah, this is exactly why I hate these overextended candles. I mean, it could flip, but it's like instant drawdown. Yeah, we've been getting all these crazy breakouts. Let's see, do we flip? All right, let's see what we do. All right, let's see if we retest. We break back in. Oh yeah, it's been I think it's been rough for I don't know, I wouldn't say majority. I've also seen people have like insane months for July. But I mean it just depends on your strategy. But yeah, it's been I've seen pretty much everything kind of lines up with like not lines up, but like even Forex people I've seen that have been struggling that use like US 30 and stuff. So we retest. Yeah, it's been tough for everyone. And I think the one of the I wouldn't say one of the biggest reasons is that the beginning of the year, right? That's when, we're doing really, really well. And I think that's what everyone got used to was that beginning of the year, like we were just doing really well. Like a lot of people did well as well. Like they did good. So it's like you kind of get used to the markets. You're like, oh yeah, the market's gonna do the same thing it's always doing. Then it like doesn't do it because it's it's in this weird funk. And it's a really nice retest there. Very nice retest. Yes, sir. Yep. Yep. Because there will be green months. There will be very good months. Just kind of gotta wait it out. We'll see. We shall see. Retesting orb again. Retesting VIP orb again. Retesting's holding. VOP's holding. Things I'm not like it looks like it's gonna go up, but just the only thing is just Let's see, do we get back into orb? A little retest there. Nice. It's a pretty good break and retest. I mean, they could be. I did have the old version did have the break and retest, but it just never. It's kind of wishy washy. Yeah, but I mean, break and retest are always good setups. The only thing I don't like about this break and retest is that I would want to see like confirmation, and that's just a very high confirmation. I got about 35 seconds left in this candle. Okay, pushing. Oh, let me fix something. Alright, see if couldn't really take out the high. Well, not yet at least. At least hold. Just looking. Oop. Alright, you're just waiting. Yeah, looks like it's gonna push. We'll see. Yeah, looks like it's gonna go.